Scorpio, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel. I am Hema and today I have your reading for the second week of October. Okay, so let's jump right in and get one card on the table from the Moonology deck, which will be an advice or a special message card for you. Okay, so Scorpios, I hope you're all doing fine wherever you are. Please be safe and happy. Okay, yes, remember this is a general read, so take what resonates and leave what does not. And I would always advise you to take a look at your sun, moon, rising videos to get a more clearer idea about the energies playing out for that week or month, and that will help give you probably some other messages there. Okay, also I want to thank all of you for your love and support. It means so much to me. Thank you so much. All right, also please do remember to like the video, share it on your social media, and oh, you've got an extra card. Okay, Scorpio, will take it. So as I was saying, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and share the video with all your contacts, because that helps in the algorithm, okay, of YouTube, which brings my video to more people, and that is my mission in life, to help and heal as many people as possible. So I truly appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up and you subscribe to the channel and share it with all your friends. So let's jump in. Before that, I forgot to give you a fortune cookie card, which we will take at the end. All right, take this one. Here we go. All right, Scorpions, my fellow Scorpions, let's see what second week of October has in store for you. Beautiful. You've drawn the Patience card. This is the Empress energy for me. Abundance, okay, success, confidence, warmth, joy, happiness, having gone through all the phases of your life, as in from the darkest moments to the brightest moments to the happiest moments, from feeling absolute low down and that you can't sink any further as far as your situation is concerned, and then rising up as the phoenix that we are. Okay, you've gone through the ringer and the entire gamut of things. Okay, and if you see, there is darkness and there is brightness here, and she is so serene. She is birthing something. Okay, so for us, the first message that I get is a few of you who've been wanting to have a baby. Good news is on the way. You will get pregnant. Okay, and for some of you, if you don't want to get pregnant, please be careful. This also means you're going to be very, very creative now. Your creative juices are going to flow, and there is going to be the right word, the flow. Your creative juices are going to flow so beautifully and in such a perfect manner that earlier, if you had any blocks to what you wanted to do, be it a simple thing like a painting or a hobby that you had, and you didn't know or you didn't feel like going for it, you are getting into the energy of flow. So right now, Scorpions, you are coming into this energy of Empress, where she's supreme. She knows she is very confident about her power. She is confident about her beautiful visions and creativity, her abundance, prosperity, good health, you name it. You cannot be in any more positive energy when you get the Empress card. Love it, love it, love it. Universe, thank you. Ooh, consciousness, beautiful. Now, interestingly, I have two messages here. First one is for all people who are on a spiritual journey. For them, you are ascending, you are glowing up, you are being activated, and you are being upgraded. Okay, congratulations. This is because your mind and your consciousness is expanding, and you are understanding your purpose, life purpose, your mission, why your soul is born here. Okay, because your consciousness expanding, you see your place in this in the scheme of things, in the cosmos, as well as what you need to do, how you can better your life and others. And for the others of you who don't really identify yourself as a spiritual person, this is, just see the glow up that is happening. You're coming, you being in this beautiful Empress energy. You are now understanding and harnessing the power that you have, because you realize from a core within how powerful you are. You can do what you want, you can be what you want, you can manifest what you want, and that consciousness is so powerful that you now are you're also very conscious about using that power for the highest good of yourself and for all. That's very, very deep and very, very powerful, Scorpio. And as I can see, you've got 3 cards. Normally I would have taken 2. So let's see what the energies are flowing into. Boo! I love it, I love it, I love it. Thank you, universe. A man holding a heart. This is the King of Cups energy. Becoming wise, becoming very careful about whom you give your cup to. So it's a discerning energy, a warm energy, a giving energy, but the heart is given only to, select few. It's not like where he's wearing his heart on his sleeve. No, he's been through the battle. He's a king, so he's been through the battle. He's seen relationships fading, breaking, and he's become very wise with that. So now he's very careful who he shares this beautiful heart with. That is the energy you're coming in. As I was getting the energy from this consciousness, you're becoming very powerful. You are powerful, and you're becoming conscious of how powerful you are. So now you're being very careful whom you share that love with, whom you give your power to. Okay, and that is a very powerful statement to know that it's not for everybody. My standards are high and not everybody is welcome here, or you will not be entertained. Okay, a kind of a King of Swords and a Queen of Swords energy, but good for you, Scorpio, good for you. Ow, I love that cornucopia. Number 11 card. Wow. Oh, I'm sorry, before there's one message I forgot to give you with this. Just give me a moment. Yeah, sorry about that. There was somebody at the door, but not my door. All right, sorry. There is one beautiful message here for all you singles. You will soon. This is number 9. 45 works out to 9. You are almost at the brink of meeting somebody special, romantically, or even a friend. But this is somebody who will bring, you see, he's a king and you're the empress. So somebody who quite matches with you, okay, in all aspects of your life. And he ticks a lot of the boxes. When I say he, them, okay, them, whoever you are looking for, whichever gender. So they tick a lot of the boxes that you have, because you are an empress, you have a consciousness of your power, and this person coming into your life very, very soon. For some of you, it may be 45 days that they may walk in. For some of you, it's 4.5 months, and for some of you, it could be 45 weeks also. Okay, so whoever it is depending on where you are in your ascension, because the moment you be ascend and get into this understanding of how powerful we are, that is when we attract the same vibrational people and energies. Okay, so that is a beautiful message for all you singles. Do let me know when you meet this person. Even come back to the this video and let me know. I'll be very, very happy to know that. Now we move on to your beautiful cornucopia card. Can you look at this beautiful golden, warm, sunny energy? This talks about abundance times 3. Okay, abundance is not just the beautiful money. It's about good food, good health, good money, good relationships, good job, good happiness and warmth and success in every area of your life. This is number 1, which is do Google angel number 11, master number 11. You will find more messages there for you. This is about opening of a new portal, a new door, a new pathway, a new chapter, a new phase of your life, which is just getting abundant and more abundant. And this is long-term abundance. So this person walking into your life, if he or she fits into your high standards, this is a relationship for life. I love it for you, Scorpio. Let's look at this. Wow, angel of strength. This is the change coming in. You have the power, as I understand, as I told you. You have the power. You are very conscious of this power that you're wielding and how to use it. Okay, that is the key. How to use and how to harness this power is very important. And you are the angel of strength who knows how to harness this. And you're becoming even more stronger and more brave, and to embrace this beautiful, abundant energy that is yours. This is one of the most positive reads I've done for anybody in a long time. I love it, Scorpios. I love it. And I do say this every time. Other signs, please don't mind. But Scorpios, we deserve this. We've been through the ringer. Boy, have we. Gibbous Moon, you're very close to achieving your goal. What did I say? It's soon. It could be as less as 4 to 5 days. 4 to 5 weeks. Beautiful. And it says you are very close to achieving your goal. The goal that you know is not small. You're an empress who's in charge of an empire. Her life is, she has to have very high standards. So you have to be in the energy of understanding your self-worth, being conscious about your power, what you deserve and what you give your energy to. Beautiful, because it is very, very, very close. This abundant energy is absolutely close, Scorpio. I'll leave you with this beautiful fortune card cookie to see what is their final message. It says friendship. A friend needs your help, your kindness and excellent counseling skills will put them back on track. Okay, so this is about you being generous with your abundance, with your wisdom and with the power and consciousness that you have. So you are stepping into an energy of sharing your abundance, sharing your wisdom, sharing your knowledge, your powers, your gifts with others. Not only for yourself, but you're so abundant that you're ready to take on a leadership role, and I can see you sharing it with love and light with everybody else. I love this reading and I claim this for myself too, as I'm a Scorpio too. Claim it in the comment section if you resonate with this reading, and also remember to like and subscribe to my channel, help my channel grow. I wish you nothing but the best, Scorpio. You deserve it. I'll see you soon. Namaste.